In this segment, we're going to configure the IPA-3100 for an occlusion test and also demonstrate how to run the test and save the results. To perform occlusion testing, we select Occlusion Test from the main screen. We already have our tubing primed and the pump ready to run. We have the option of selecting either manual or auto start mode. Just like the flow test, the manual test will immediately start counting time as soon as I start the test. The auto mode will wait until it detects flow from the pump until it runs the timer. I can also enter the information about the device under test that I'm using. And I press start. And that takes me to the testing screen. I can see here that it's ready to start. It's giving me the pressure, the current pressure that's in the tubing right now. And again, the timer hasn't started because I set it to auto. When I start the test, now it's ready. It's waiting for the pressure. As soon as it sees pressure from the pump, I'm going to restart the pump here. It's going to start flowing. As soon as it saw pressure, it started measuring time. And now it's going to tell us exactly when the occlusion occurs and the current pressure in the tubing. So there's our pressure. We can see the pump stop because the pressure is starting to decrease. It's showing me the peak pressure and how long it took to reach that peak. I'm going to stop the pump so it stops yelling at me. And then when I stop the test, now I have the option to save. Again, I have the unit set to manual save, so it won't save every single record that I perform, but I do like this one, so I'm going to save the record. So now we can see the test is complete. It's ready to start a new test. All I would need to do is press the start button here and start my infusion pump, and it would run a new test. But what I'd like to do is just take a look at the data log and see the test that just ran. So I can look at that record here, and we can see it shows me the peak pressure, what time it occurred, and how long did the test run completely, the elapsed time. And that concludes the occlusion testing using the IPA-3100 infusion pump analyzer.
Thank you for watching this BC Group International production. For more information about our extensive line of BC Biomedical products and products from our vendor alliances, browse BC Marketplace online at bcgroupstore.com. BC Group, we are your one-stop biomed shop.